Let's turn your dreams into reality. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad to have you here. Why don't you subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell so you're informed each time we post a new video. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. It's such a pleasure having you here. And this video promises to be nothing less than valuable. So keep watching. Today we'll be talking about financial independence, achieving financial independence. So what is financial independence? Financial independence is, in simple terms, being able to cover all your living expenses without working. And how can you do that? You can do that not by saving a ton, but by having your money work for you. That is the key. Having your money work for you. And it starts with a mindset shift. You have to understand and come to terms with the fact that you can make money even while sleeping. He said you can make money while sleeping. That's a lie, because money is a game of numbers. It's more than the paper, the bills, the coins. It's a game of numbers. And you can make money while sleeping. We've seen it today with social media and all of that. You can make money while sleeping. You need to understand this and accept it. Because if you don't accept it, it can't work for you. So you need to accept it. And once you've accepted it, you start taking steps towards it. And what is that? Building financial wealth through passive income, building sources of income that are passive. Let the truth be told. See, you cannot be excellent if you are fully active in several things. You can't. Or we're talking about financial passive income, building financial wealth through passive income. We're talking about diversifying your income. Not having all your eggs in one basket, having several sources of income, and you cannot be effective if you are actively involved in all of them. That's why they must be passive. You won't be excellent, you'll be worn out, and if you're not excellent, you'll just have several things. You don't say, I have several sources of income, but nothing really coming from them. You see, that's why you have to build passive income, have your money work for you in several places. And you could choose to be actively involved in one, but let the others work for you, not necessitating your constant involvement, your constant active involvement in every one of them. You won't be able to make it, and you will just fail at the end of it. Take these words seriously. Build passive income, several passive incomes, and you can choose to be actively involved in one. Now, invest. Learn to invest. Take calculated risks. This is part of the passive income we're talking about. Learn about stocks, learn about real estate, and invest in them. That is an option on how to make your money work for you. Another example of having passive income is digital courses, digital products. Yes, learn about digital products and invest in them. Your time, your knowledge, just invest and have digital products that you are selling to have passive income coming in. Then saving and budgeting. Don't oversave, don't undersave. The both are real and true. There is a percentage that you should be mindful of. Don't undersave and don't oversave. I've said this several times, because you can say, oh, I have 100,000 and I'm going to spend just 2,000. Be realistic. You know how much you spend in a day, in a month. You know your requirements, you know your the necessities, your health, your feeding, your family, entertainment. Yes, entertainment, because it said all work and no play makes Jack a dumb boy. Yes, you need, there is that part of you that needs, yes, you need to invest in it as well. So you calculate all these things that are necessary, and then you budget what is necessary, the percentage of your income that is necessary. Don't be excessive, because if the money is coming in and it's going out just as it's coming in, then you won't even know that you've made any money. You would just, it's like taking one step forward and two steps backward, taking one step forward and two steps backward. It's not that you are not bringing in money, but you are not managing it rightly. You are not treating it as it's supposed to be. And that brings us to another point: investing. or this time in yourself, in your knowledge. You need to know how to handle money, how to manage money, or else it's like a basket. Taking a bucket of water and basket and filling it with water. Water is gonna keep gushing in, but it's just gonna keep pouring out, and you won't even know that you ever had it. Now, track your progress. Track your progress. You need to have goals. Yes, break your goals into milestones. Break them down into small chunks. And with every goal that you accomplish, every milestone that you hit, consider it a big win. You'll see how motivated you are to keep going forward. And when you do that, not only are you motivated because you are seeing yourself move from A to B to C, you are energized, and you see you get more inspired, you have more ideas, and it just keeps you running. And finally, you need to have that goal. You need to have that goal, a very clear goal, and you need to stick to it. Stick to it to the end. It's not about how you feel, because excitement won't take you far. It's about getting the job done, whether it snows, whether it's raining, whether it's sunny, just making sure the goal is met, because time keeps going. Time waits for no one. Time keeps going. And if you don't do it today, you will lose today and you'll still be where you are tomorrow. So if you want to be where you want to be tomorrow, you got to do something today. And the best way to make your plan is not about planning for tomorrow, but doing something concerning your plan today. You see, take steps that align with your goal every single day. Let there be daily actions that push you towards your achievement, the achievement of that goal. Even if it's something little, make sure you do something. Don't let a day pass without doing something that contributes to your goal. And that is how you achieve financial independence. If you learned something today, if you found this video inspiring, if you found this video educative, why don't you like the video and share the video so more people can watch and more people can learn just like you did today. Hit the notification bell if you haven't done so, and bye for now.